Hi, my name is Jen and I'm a senior interior designer at Shane Homes. Today we're at the brand new Vilano II show home in Vermilion Hill. I had a very unique and fun challenge in designing this home, as I wanted to keep in mind multiple different product types when choosing selections. We have townhomes, duplexes, and lane homes in Vermilion, and I wanted to showcase something that every product type could have. From the flooring, carpet, to the tiles, most of the items in this lane home are featured in our paired and our townhomes. I wanted to do a take on the black and white contrast feel while softening it with neutral tones. Instead of the stark contrast of deep saturated blacks, I incorporated some warmer, almost green tinged dark colors in the home. This adds that contrast that I was looking for without overpowering the space. I would have to say my favorite features in this home are all of the paneling details that I did. I've incorporated paneling in the owner's suite, the main floor living room, dining room, and office. And I mixed and matched between doing full height paneling and half height paneling. This allows me to tie in the looks together while still creating a little bit of difference throughout the home. Another favorite feature of mine in the home is the archway at the upstairs bonus room or family room. I did a little bit of customization to this plan to incorporate that detail. I moved the closet that would normally be there to the other side of the hallway, and then I added in that arch detail just to add a little bit of softness to the space. In the primary bedroom, we added a barn door to the closet for an extra detail feature. We painted this barn door to match to the paneling to really tie those two elements in the room together. For the kid spaces in this home, I really wanted them to feel neutral and kind of blend into the overall palette. In the girls' room, I added just a splash of pink to make it feel a little bit more feminine and fun and pretty. And in the boys' room, I incorporated a more monochromatic football theme and then bringing in the pop of red of the Stampeders. I love how you can create a neutral kid space to tie into the rest of your home, but still add in a bit of personality with those smaller elements. Another thing I absolutely love about this home is the full legal suite at the basement. I love how the layout of the basement turned out with lots of room for a kitchen to entertain, a beautiful seating area, and a large bedroom at the back. My favorite detail of the basement would definitely be the fireplace. I chose a large format tile for this fireplace to bring in that soft organic feel, as well as to have that minimal grout line look. So it should look more like a plaster finish as opposed to tiled. From the LVP to the carpet to the wall and floor tiles, a lot of these materials can be used across all of our product types, from our townhomes to our duplexes to our lane homes. So no matter what product type you choose, we have something for you. So come check us out. We're located at 1296 Alpine Ave SW. Can't wait to see what you think. See you soon.